The decision to enroll in an in-home electric line repair program hinges on several considerations. Firstly, analyze the frequency and expense of electrical repairs you have encountered. If you have frequently experienced electrical problems or if the repairs have been costly, the program could potentially result in long-term savings by addressing repairs that would otherwise be paid for out of pocket. Secondly, examine the scope of the coverage provided by the program. This particular program encompasses an extensive array of electrical components, including wiring, switches, outlets, and panels. However, it is important to note that it excludes fixtures, appliances, and any wiring located outside the primary dwelling. If you have specific electrical concerns or anticipate repairs that might fall outside the program's coverage, clarification from the electric company is paramount. Thirdly, consider the convenience and peace of mind that the program offers. The program streamlines the process of handling electrical repairs by providing a single point of contact. This can be especially appealing to individuals who prefer to avoid the hassle of researching and selecting independent electricians. It also offers assurance that repairs will be executed by qualified electricians adhering to stringent safety standards. Fourthly, assess any additional costs associated with the program. While the monthly fee might seem reasonable, it's important to determine if any additional expenses could arise. For instance, repairs that fall outside the program scope might still require separate payment. Obtain clarity on what constitutes covered and non-covered repairs. Fifthly, explore the availability of alternative options for electrical repairs. Research the costs and benefits of hiring a licensed electrician independently or enrolling in a comprehensive home warranty program. A thorough comparison of these options will help you determine the most suitable approach for your unique needs. Accurately estimating the precise number of participants is difficult, as multiple variables can influence enrollment rates. Awareness of the program and its advantages, the prevalence of electrical issues in a particular geographic region, the convenience factor, and the availability of alternative repair solutions all play a role. Consider your history of electrical issues. How often have you needed to call an electrician? What were the typical costs associated with those repairs? If you have had minimal electrical problems, the program might not be as valuable. Review the coverage details carefully. Ensure that the program covers the types of electrical components and issues you are most likely to encounter. If you have older wiring or a history of panel problems, comprehensive coverage would be advantageous. Assess the convenience factor. Do you value the ease of having a pre-approved contractor handle repairs, or do you prefer to select your own electrician? If you value convenience, the program might be a good fit. Compare the program's cost to other options. Obtain quotes from local electricians for common repairs and compare them to the program's monthly fee. Consider the cost of a home warranty that includes electrical coverage. This will help you determine if the program offers a competitive price. Look into the program's terms and conditions. Understand the limitations of the coverage, any deductibles that apply, and the process for filing a claim. Ensure that the terms are reasonable and transparent. Read reviews and testimonials from other customers who have enrolled in the program. This can provide insights into the program's effectiveness and customer satisfaction. Consider the age of your home. Older homes are more likely to experience electrical issues due to aging wiring and components. If you live in an older home, the program might offer greater value. Evaluate your risk tolerance. Are you comfortable taking on the risk of unexpected electrical repairs, or do you prefer the peace of mind of having a protection plan in place? Your risk tolerance will influence your decision. Think about potential future electrical needs. Are you planning any home renovations or additions that could impact your electrical system? If so, the program might provide added protection during these projects. Consult with a qualified electrician. Seek professional advice on the condition of your electrical system and the potential benefits of the program. An electrician can assess your specific needs and provide an informed opinion. Consider the long-term cost. While the monthly fee might seem small, it can add up over time. Calculate the total cost of the program over several years and compare it to the potential savings on repairs. Research the program's reputation. Check with consumer protection agencies and online forums to see if there have been any complaints or concerns about the program. Ensure that the provider has a good track record. Review your homeowner's insurance policy. Determine if your policy provides any coverage for electrical repairs. If so, you might not need the additional protection offered by the program. Consider the complexity of your electrical system. If you have a complex system with multiple circuits and specialized equipment, the program might be more valuable. Simpler systems might not require as much protection. Think about the potential for power surges. If you live in an area prone to power surges, the program could help protect your electrical system from damage. Assess your ability to handle minor electrical repairs yourself. If you are comfortable performing basic tasks such as replacing outlets and switches, you might not need the program's coverage. Consider the program's cancellation policy. Understand the terms for cancelling the program and whether there are any penalties or fees. Ensure that you can easily cancel if you no longer need the coverage. Research the program's customer service. Check online reviews and ratings to see how responsive and helpful the program's customer service team is. Good customer service is essential for a positive experience. Consider the program's coverage for specific appliances. Some programs might offer additional coverage for appliances such as water heaters and air conditioners. If you have older appliances, this might be a valuable benefit. Think about the program's impact on your home's resale value. A home with a comprehensive electrical protection plan might be more attractive to potential buyers. Assess the program's eligibility requirements. Some programs might have restrictions based on the age of your home or the condition of your electrical system. Ensure that you meet the eligibility requirements before enrolling. Consider the program's coverage for emergency repairs. Some programs offer 24/7 emergency repair services. This can be especially valuable if you experience electrical problems outside of regular business hours. Think about the program's impact on your energy consumption. Some programs might offer energy audits or recommendations for improving energy efficiency. This can help you save money on your electricity bill. Assess the program's coverage for outdoor electrical systems. If you have outdoor lighting, a pool, or other outdoor electrical features, ensure that the program covers these systems. Consider the program's coverage for surge protection devices. Some programs might offer discounts or rebates on surge protection devices. This can help protect your electrical system from power surges. Think about the program's impact on your relationship with your local electrician. If you have a trusted electrician, enrolling in the program might affect your ability to use their services. Assess the program's coverage for electrical code upgrades. If your electrical system is not up to current code, the program might help cover the cost of upgrades. Consider the program's coverage for faulty wiring. If you suspect that you have faulty wiring, the program might help cover the cost of repairs or replacements. Think about the program's impact on your peace of mind. If you are constantly worried about electrical problems, the program might provide valuable peace of mind. Firstly, consider the age of your home's electrical system. Older systems are often more prone to problems. Secondly, think about the climate in your area. Extreme weather can put a strain on electrical systems. Thirdly, assess your usage of electricity. Heavy usage can overload circuits and cause problems. Fourthly, factor in the cost of potential repairs. Electrical work can be expensive. Fifthly, evaluate the peace of mind the program offers. Knowing you're covered can be a valuable benefit. Sixthly, consider the reputation of the company offering the program. A reliable company is essential. Seventhly, read the fine print carefully. Understand the program's limitations. Eighthly, compare the program to other options. See if there are better alternatives. Ninthly, talk to your electrician. Get their opinion on the program. Tenthly, make an informed decision. Choose what's best for your situation. If your home is relatively new and your electrical system is in good condition, you might not need the program. However, if you have an older home or frequently experience electrical problems, the program could be a worthwhile investment. Ultimately, the decision is a personal one that depends on your individual circumstances and risk tolerance. The $3.50 monthly fee may seem small, but it adds up to $42 per year. Over 10 years, that's $420. Consider if you're likely to spend that much on electrical repairs over the next decade. Remember to factor in the deductible, if any, for each repair under the program. Also, think about the inconvenience of dealing with a new contractor if you already have a trusted electrician. Weigh the pros and cons carefully before making a decision. The program's exclusion of fixtures, appliances, and landscape wiring is important. These are common areas where electrical problems can arise. Make sure you understand what is not covered before you sign up. Think about the likelihood of needing those specific types of repairs. Consider the qualifications of the electricians who will be performing the work under the program. Are they licensed and insured? Do they have a good reputation? It's important to ensure that you're getting quality workmanship. Check if the program covers the cost of permits and inspections. Some electrical repairs require permits to ensure they meet safety standards. Make sure the program includes this coverage. Think about the potential for hidden wiring problems. If your home has older wiring, there could be issues that are not immediately apparent. The program might help uncover and address these problems. Assess the program's coverage for grounding issues. Proper grounding is essential for electrical safety. Make sure the program includes coverage for grounding repairs. Consider the program's impact on your homeowner's insurance. Some insurance companies offer discounts for homes with electrical protection plans. Check if your insurance company offers such a discount. Think about the potential for electrical fires. While rare, electrical fires can be devastating. The program might help prevent fires by addressing electrical problems before they become hazardous. Consider the program's coverage for knob and tube wiring. If your home has knob and tube wiring, it's important to have it inspected and potentially replaced. The program might help cover the cost of this work. Think about the potential for water damage to your electrical system. Leaks and floods can damage wiring and components. The program might help cover the cost of repairs. Assess the program's coverage for aluminum wiring. If your home has aluminum wiring, it's important to have it inspected and potentially replaced. The program might help cover the cost of this work. Consider the program's coverage for electrical panel upgrades. If your electrical panel is outdated or undersized, it might need to be upgraded. The program might help cover the cost of this work. Firstly, understand the scope of the program. Secondly, assess your risk of electrical problems. Thirdly, compare the cost to alternatives. Fourthly, consider the convenience factor. Fifthly, read customer reviews. Sixthly, check the fine print. Seventhly, talk to your electrician. Eighthly, consider your long-term plans for your home. Ninthly, factor in your personal risk tolerance. Tenthly, make an informed decision.